In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to link your Snapchat to your Facebook profile. All you have to need, go to your Snapchat, tap on your profile photo, and here, tap the settings icon, tap on my account, username, and copy your username from here, just like this. Once you successfully copied the username, now you can close your Snapchat app. Now launch the Facebook app and log into your Facebook account. Now go to your profile, tap on Edit Profile. In here, scroll down, tap on Edit Your About Info. Scroll down. Under Contact Info section, tap on Add Social Link. Tap on Add New Link. And here from this list, we have to select Snapchat. Here, tap on username and paste your copied Snapchat username and tap on Save. And we can see my Snapchat is now successfully linked with my Facebook profile. I'm going back to my profile and tapping this three dot, View As, and scrolling down here under Details, we can see my Snapchat successfully linked with my profile. Now anyone will be able to easily access my Snapchat account by tapping on this option. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.